Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesforce Marketing Cloud for CRM contact imports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Salesforce Marketing Cloud for CRM contact imports, begin by logging into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the Setup menu in the upper right corner of the dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, locate and click on Apps to expand the options. Select Installed Packages to view your existing integrations. Click on New to create a new installed package for your CRM connection. Enter a name for your package and a description that details its purpose. After filling in these fields, click Save to register the new package. Once your package is created, locate the Components section and select Add Components. Choose API Integration from the list of components. You will be prompted to select the integration type. Choose Server to Server. Provide a label for your API integration that clearly identifies. Take note of the client ID and client secret generated for your integration. These credentials will be essential for the authentication process. Now, navigate to the Users section in the Setup menu. Assign the necessary permissions to the user who will manage contact imports. Ensure you enable API access for this user to facilitate integrations. Next, head to your CRM system to initiate the integration process. From your CRM settings, locate the API configuration section. Input the client ID and client secret from your Salesforce Marketing Cloud package. Complete any additional required fields specified by your CRM. Test the connection to confirm that the credentials were entered correctly. Once the connection is validated, you can begin importing contacts. In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, navigate to Contact Builder. Select Contacts and then click on Import to initiate the contact import. Choose your CRM connections as the source for the contacts. Map the fields from your CRM to the corresponding fields in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. After mapping, review the import summary for accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed with the import operation. Monitor the import progress and check for any error messages. After the import is complete, verify that the contacts appear in Salesforce Marketing Cloud as intended. You are now successfully authenticated and have imported CRM contacts into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.